Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get refund or refund on Too Good To Go app. So if you need any kind of refund on Too Good To Go app but you don't know how to get it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you now want to get a refund, or if you need a refund on Too Good To Go app, then you need to firstly check that if you are eligible for refund or not. So Too Good To Go usually offers refund if you were charged but didn't receive the order, if the food was expired, unsafe, or significantly different from what was expected, or the store was closed at the pickup time. So if you have set a pickup time and the store was closed at that time, then you may only be eligible to receive. So to request a refund through the app, you need to open the Too Good To Go app and you need to go on the My Purchase section and select the order. So if you have purchased anything, you will see the option of My Purchase on the profile icon, as you need to click on it. So after clicking on it, you need to select the order and tap on Report an Issue. So it is usually within the 24 hours of pickup. So after tapping on it, you need to choose the reasons and provide the details. So while providing the details, you need to simply add the photo if you have. So if you have not received the orders, then you may simply screenshot it and do something like that. And if the store was closed, you may simply add the photo of it. So and you need to wait for the support to respond, and after a few time, if approved, then you will be able to receive the refund of your Too Good To Go app. So that's it. That's how you can get refund on Too Good To Go app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.